Alden, it's short update. Yung post ni Alden sa kanyang Instagram for Sting Energy Drink. Kaya hindi naubusan ng energy si Alden. Yan, naka-Sting yan. Yan, ubus na nga.
Sting na ba ang lahat? Ako? Pwede nang humataw.
Yan o. Yan, umataw na nga si Alden.
Hey everyone, it's me, Alden.
Yan, for Dr. O.
That doesn't sound like Alden. Our microphone decided to stop working, so please bear with us and enjoy this, dare I say, Al-dubbed video. Come with me as I show you around Dr. O's Skin Lab's booth at this year's BeautyCon 2026.
Dr.
One
O's
of the best
Skin
things
Lab.
you can do here is get a free skincare analysis because Dr. O really prioritizes that you get exactly what your skin needs. So if you have red and inflamed acne, you might want to try my favorite, their Hypochlorous Skin Rescue Spray.
Yeah.
Or if you have oily and acne-prone skin, you can also try their Spotless Exfoliating Toner. Come and join us at the Dr. O Skin Lab at BeautyCon 2026 only until March 22. See you guys!
Yun. Yan, Alden, meet and greet with Dr. O Skin Lab. May vice spray pa si Alden eh. Siyempre masaya yung mga fans ni Alden. Yan, meet and greet with Alden yan. Yan. Yan, na-meet nila si Alden with video at may kasama pang yan, product na is Dr. O. May mga highlights ni Alden dyan sa SMX Convention Center, Manila. Sa BeautyCon 2026. Yan, masaya mga fans ni Alden yun, oh. Don't forget, subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates. This is Richard, the Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.